Hey everyone, I am here today to unbox the Universal Yums Italy box. If you guys have never seen this box, it's awesome. Basically, every single month you get a new box that is based on a different country and you get to receive all of their different snacks and foods. So this month I got Italy, and inside you have this silly little sticker of very chocolate-loving Mona Lisa. And then, of course, you're always going to have an ad about how to save with Universal Yums. Then what's really cool is you've got a map, and it shows you where all of your snacks came from. And then what is really neat about Universal Yums is you get a scoreboard. So like these are all the snacks that are in here, so there's supposed to be 12 snacks in here. And you rate them. And then you get to vote on a upcoming box and find some more of these yums. So like if you liked certain ones, like let's say you liked this one, that Insane, you'll most likely like that one as well in their yum shop on their site. So let's go ahead and check out what is in here. Something that Universal Yums is known for is their little 12-page booklets that come with everything. So you've got recipes, you've got quizzes, you've got trivia, and then information about all of your snacks that you've gotten. So, and then obviously the nutrition facts, which is awesome. And then just some fun little games, which is really cute. And of course, recipes. So this is really cute, and of course if you really love something and you just have to have it, you can always buy it in their shop too. So let's see what is in here, guys. Since my mother's side is Italian, this is awesome. So this looks like bruschetta. Okay, so it looks like crunchy, delicious, fine tasting bruschetta. Okay, cool. I love bruschetta. It is really, really good. And of course, even though stuff is in Italian, you're going to have it up here in English too, which is cool. So we've got truffle potato chips. Cool. Everything is from Italy, guys, so just letting you know, whatever country you get this stuff from, this is actually what they eat. Ketchup potato chips. Wow. And then we've got some crisp almond cookies. Guys, I love anything almond. I love anything almond, so I might just have to hide these when I go back into the house. The Yum bag is full of little candies. That is what is in here. So inside, I'll have to put the phone down to be able to open this up to show you what's in here. So I'll hang on to those for a second. We have got a beautiful big chocolate bar, guys. This is like huge. Here's a really big chocolate bar. Italian chocolate. Cranberry cookies. We've got 2 of these. Orange carrot. It looks like an orange carrot cake. Okay. I am not sure what this is. It looks like little cookies, like lemon cookies or something. It looks like a little lemon cookie. And then these look like they are hazelnut. Are they hazelnut? Yeah, chocolate bar with Italian hazelnuts. Oh my gosh. So that looks really good. The Yum box, the Yum bag, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Hey, I got a little hole in it, so here we go. Oh wow, there's a bunch of candy in here. A bunch. Let's see if I can get all this out. Oh my goodness. Wow, they put a lot of candy in here. There's still more. Okay, wow. Okay, so you've got this one, which it looks like a little fizzy. Like a lemon fizzy. Then we've got this one, tiramisu, oh my gosh. And then Choco Boom. So it looks like you got a few of each of them. So guys, I I'm going to show you just how much is in this box. This is a good sized box. Especially because this bag is huge in itself. I can't even get all this back in here. So, like, the box doesn't even close anymore. So, kudos to them for actually being able to close the box and pack it properly. But this is awesome. Guys, if you want to check this out, we homeschool, so this is really neat to even base off your geography. Like, whatever box for whatever country you get that month, that's the month that you can focus on. And I really like their map too, about how where everything came from. So, like, it'll tell you, like, here's where the truffle chips came from. That's pretty cool. So, you know, here's where this one was baked, the Tarayelle, I think that's what, I'm not sure, I'm not really good at pronunciation, but that's where that one is from. So this is really cool, guys. So if you want to check them out, make sure to check them out right here at Universal Yums, and if you go to /2020, you can get discounts off of this stuff. So I would definitely check it out. This is really cool. Now this was the Yum Yum box, so this was the medium sized box. So there is a smaller box that's cheaper and then a bigger box that's more expensive. So you guys are welcome to check them out, and I am really impressed with it. If you guys love them, check them out at universalyums.com.